ending here in Woodhaven, Queens. 2-family home. Forest Park's over there. J Train is over there. Come on, let's go.
This is Philip Ross here, eXp Realty, part of theysellrealestate.com, and this is a fantastic 100% brick 2-family home located in the northern portion of Woodhaven, Queens. Shout out to Lisa Lee of Winzone Realty for allowing us to showcase this fantastic property. As you will see shortly, all of my property tours, no Photoshop. You're going to see the property as is, no extra jazz, no filters, no special colors. You'll see it as if you're there that day. Here we go! First floor apartment, 2-bedroom apartment. You walk in past 2 bedrooms to your living area. Take note of the air conditioner up there on the ceiling. The living room, 2 bedrooms actually have their own air conditioning. Kitchen set up perfectly. Your stove is right by the window, so there's your vent. Stainless steel appliances throughout. That door right there is to the basement. This is the bathroom. Take a look at the bathroom. Once again, everything is in fantastic condition. High-end type of materials were used. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but once again, you have your ductless air conditioning and area for cabinetry. This is the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. Once again, I didn't Photoshop, so this Woodhaven 2-family house, this is what you get. That's what it looks like. Now we're moving on up. Second floor alert. 2-bedroom apartment. Once again, brighter than the first floor, which is kind of hard, but you have a skylight right there. Hence, it's even brighter. This is the one of the 2 bedrooms. Has a closet. They have carpet here. You could put vinyl planks down if you like to, or whatever have you. And now we enter bedroom number 2. Hardwood floors. Once again, look at the brightness. No Photoshop. You have a decent sized closet. Semi walk-in. Once again, this is one of the only 2-family brick properties for sale in the northern portion of Woodhaven, Queens. Tons of potential, but plug and play. There's our bathroom. Once again, not to beat a dead horse, you pretty much have nothing to do. Everything is in great condition. It's all cosmetic if you want to change something up, but everything's fully functional and in remarkably great condition. Whoever was here before, salute to you. You took care of this place, which is nice to see. This property is obviously vacant, 100% vacant, as we enter the living room. This is all a matter of opinion. Some people would actually use this as a bedroom. It's entirely, as they say, to each his own. Regarding vacancy, big misconception. Properties have to be vacant to be able to be sold in Woodhaven. That is not the case. Message me for more information regarding that. And then there is the kitchen set up right off of what most people use as their living room, but to each his own. Decent size, decent amount of cabinet space. I know. You're saying, oh man, that property's vacant. I have to wait for my property to be vacant to be able to sell it. Comment vacant so I can send you a list of 10 reasons why your property doesn't have to be vacant to be able to be sold. It's one of the biggest misconceptions in real estate right now or any market. And most importantly, it also includes what you want to do to structure your sale in the event you want to sell it to get it sold. And we're going down, baby, to your basement. You can get to the basement from the first floor apartment. There's also an outside entrance in the front and the back of the property. Basement is full clean. There is a ductless unit in one of these rooms, which you'll see right here. Once again, not to beat a dead horse, this 2-family brick property in Woodhaven, Queens is in impeccable condition. So whether it's owner occupied or you're renting, here's the backyard space, which is always an advantage. You have access to the backyard from the living area, and then also that door right there is the kitchen. Once again, For the millionth time in this video, there's really nothing for you to do with this property. I sound like a broken record because there's really nothing to do to the property. That door right there on the left, that's to the basement. Everything's in great condition. My name, once again, is Philip. I am with theysellrealestate.com, courtesy of EXP. If you would like to schedule a showing of this property, I'd love to get you in there. Philip Ross, once again, theysellrealestate.com, EXP Realty. Please comment buyer if you want to have a scheduled showing of this or any other property in Woodhaven or the other surrounding areas. Love to get you in there. So this is what it's like, our street tour. This is the northern portion of Woodhaven. It is literally 4 minutes from Forest Park. So you have all of access to that, along with the hustle and bustle of Jamaica Avenue, Woodhaven Boulevard. There's tons of businesses, tons of supermarkets, pharmacies. If you have tenants, laundromats are all within close proximity. But yet this property is kind of an oasis. It's detached from a lot of that. So the hustle and bustle, you got to walk 8 minutes or so to Jamaica Avenue. I myself have been a resident and homeowner in Woodhaven since 2020, and it's one of the greatest places I've ever lived. Now we're going to Jamaica Avenue. That is the trade fair or fine fair supermarket that has this viral chicken, rotisserie chicken, which I have yet to taste. Please leave a comment if you have. This is all the way on the other side. We're closer to Woodhaven Boulevard, but literally it's within distance where this property is located. Not to mention, right on 85th and Jamaica Avenue, there's a ton of supermarkets. Just new one opened up, laundromats, anything you need. And lastly, this is Philip Ross. If you do want to see the property that we did the house tour on, please let me know. Additionally, Woodhaven is a fantastic community. A lot of people are super active. I myself are continually go to the block association meetings, community boards, PTA. It's a great place. Please do let me know if you have any questions about the property that you might own. Love to be able to help you out any way I can.